This is Julie from AT Apps, Assistive Technology for Education. This is a short video to show you how the app Spell Better works for phonetic text prediction. When we press the I button, we can set a few settings for the individual. We can change the prediction vocabulary size, make the text bigger or smaller. We want to turn the word prediction on. I tend to leave speak each letter off and speak each word off unless the individual really needs that support. Speak each sentence can be helpful because it will read the sentence to them as soon as they've finished a sentence putting punctuation. We can select the voice of our choice and the font, the background color, and the keyboard layout. As with all text prediction, we want to teach the children to spell what they can spell, to have a go at the words they're not sure of, copy the words when they see them in the prediction bar rather than tapping them in. So just by putting in one letter, I can see the word that I need, but students must not tap it in, they must type it. The reason is, if they don't use it, they will lose it. The people, I've just done one letter there and I can see the word that I need. I can listen to it by holding down with my stylus.
People.
And with the built-in iOS dictionary pops up as well if you've got one loaded. So I'm going to copy that, people. I'm going to write the word went, but I'm going to make an error on purpose. And I can see the word that I do need, and I can listen again if I need to.
Went.
And then I'm going to go in and make my correction. Towards. To. And I can see the word there, so I just copy it in. Now for the word ancient. I'm going to do it phonetically. And there's the word that I need, so I can go back and make the correction. Ancient, ruins.
The people went towards the ancient ruins.
Now, it wasn't able to help me in my prediction of how to spell ruins, but it has highlighted that that is an error. So when I tap on it, I've got the options there of what it thinks I'm trying to spell. We can also see the built-in iOS spell checker helping as well. Interesting, Spell Better has found the correct word that I need and the iOS one hasn't. Sometimes it will be the other way around. So we need to teach the child to listen to the word,
Ones.
make sure that's the word that they need, and then go in and make the change themselves. A great feature of Spell Better is that it can learn words that a child might be using regularly. That's very helpful for place names in Australia and for people's names. So for example, here's the word Burpengary that it obviously does not recognize. It's identifying it as a spelling error. So when I tap on the word, the iOS spell checker is showing no replacement found. Spell Better can't match it either. So I obviously need the app to learn the spelling. So when I hold down on the A in the magnifying glass, I can select Learn, and the iPad will learn that spelling and will no longer indicate that it is an error. Spell Better is one of the more expensive apps on the market for text prediction. It's a very good app. It has excellent text prediction, good quality text-to-speech, good quality phonetic spell checking, and is very easy to use. So it's a good one to purchase when it's on sale, so look out for that. The free version is very limiting because we can't actually export the text from within the app into other apps or to print or anything like that. So it is worth getting the paid version. If you can't afford the cost of Spell Better, there are other ones that are also quite suitable. Before purchasing an app, have a look at the other demonstration videos on the website atapps.com.au where the pros and cons of different text prediction apps are evaluated.